Assalamualaikum and good morning, sir. This is our video presentation. The topic is network security fundamentals. Security network fundamentals refer to the core concept, principle, and practice that form the foundation of protecting computer network in their data from unauthorized access, use, disclosure, disruption, modification, or distraction. Ang network security fundamentals ay tumutukoy sa mga basic na konsepto, presinyo at practice na ginagamit para protektahan ang computer network at ang mga data nito. Ibig sabihin, ito ay ang mga pangunahing kaalaman kung paano maiiwas ang unauthorized access, maling sa mga taong walang pahintulot, maling paggamit, paglabas ng sensitibong o pagkasira ng system. Sa madaling salita, layunin ng network security fundamentals na seguridad na ang mga network ay ligtas, maasahan at gumagana ng tama gamit ang mga tools at teknik tulad ng password, firewall, access control at monitoring para maprotektahan ang impormasyon laban sa cyber threat. Second is YS network security fundamentals and network and communication. Network security fundamentals are integral to network and communication because the ensuring that core purpose of networks, sending and receiving data reliability can be achieved without these fundamentals. Network and communication achieved without these fundamentals. Network and communication will be to rest in trust, work in effectivity use. Ang network security fundamentals ay gumagana sa pamamagitan ng layered protective framework na nakaugnay mismo sa paraan ng network communication. Ibig sabihin, hindi lang iisang protection ang ginagamit, kundi maraming patong mga seguridad para masigurong ligtas ang data at network resources. Una, nilikha muna ang mga posibleng risk at threat tulad ng hacking o malware. Pangalawa, pinoprotektahan ang mga network at data gamit ang security control gaya ng authentication, encryption at firewall. Pangatlo, patuloy na minomonitor ang network para ma-detect ang unauthorized o kahina-hinang activity. Pang-apat, kapag may insidente, may nakahadlang response mechanism para ma-contain at maayos agad ang problema. Sa kabuuan, pagkaugnay ang lahat ng ito upang masiguro ang communication sa network ay secure, reliable at tuloy-tuloy kahit may mga banta. Third is how does network security fundamentals work. Network security fundamentals work by creating a layered protective framework to identify risk, protect data, network resource, detect unauthorized, and respond to incidents with network communication. Ang network security fundamentals ay napakahalaga sa network communication dahil tinitiyak nila ang pangunahing layunin ng network. Ang ligtas at maasahan magpadala at pagtanggap ng data ay natutupad kung wala ang mga fundamental na ito. Magiging delikado ang paggamit ng network dahil pwedeng ma-intercept, mabago o manakaw ang impormasyon habang ipinapadala. Dahil dito, magiging hindi magkakatiwalaan at hindi epektibo ang communication sa pagitan ng mga user at system. Sa madaling salita, ang network security fundamentals ang nagsisilbing protection at pundasyon para masigurong ang komunikasyon sa network ay secure, stable at maayos na paggamit kahit may mga banta mula sa cyber attack. For the real world application of network security fundamentals, real world application of network security fundamentals are found in everyday personal and business digital interaction, primarily to maintain the confidentiality, integrity, and availability of data. These principles are implement with various technologies and practices. That is a real-world application of network security fundamentals are present in everyday personal and business digital interaction. This application primarily focus on maintaining the confidentiality, integrity, and availability and data. The principles are implemented through various technologies and practices. Last, what are the advantages or network secure fundamentals? Network security fundamentals provide essential protection for an organization, data system, and users against cyber threats like hacking, malware, and unauthorized access. By implementing basic measures such as firewall inception and access control, organization can ensure the confidentiality, integrity, and availability of their information. Strong network security also foster trust among user and customer, minimize downtime caused by attack, and help meet regulatory requirements for data protection. However, these fundamentals also face challenge. Cyber threat continuously evolve, making it difficult to keep security measures up to date. Implementing and maintaining this control can be costly and require skilled personnel. Additionally, balancing security with network performance and user convenience is often challenging, and human error like weak password or lack in security awareness can undermine even the best security